Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show how to add categories and subcategories in Shopify. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, open up Shopify, and then from here then you want to go ahead and click on online store, and then under that it will have a section called navigation. Click onto that, and then here you've got the footer menu and main menu, but you want to add categories and subcategories in your main menu. You can do footer, but for this demonstration I'm going to do main menu. So click on main menu, and now what you want to do is click on add menu item, and for this demonstration I'm just going to call this apps, and now from here search or paste the link. For this demonstration I'm just going to click on just the home page like so, and then click on to add, and I'm going to do this again. So add menu item, and now I'm going to type in for this demonstration YouTube. Just going to use the home page for this example. Click on add, but your situation will be a lot different than mine. Now I've just added in more categories, but if I want to add a subcategory, so if I want to put YouTube with apps as a subcategory, just simply click and hold YouTube and place it under apps, and then there you go. So you got apps and YouTube as a subcategory. So you can rinse and repeat this process to add more categories and subcategories. So if you got a clothing store, it will be totally different to this, etc. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.